Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing 4K video recording with EF-EOS lens and Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. So here I am using this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens, and this lens I have connected to this EOS R50 mirrorless camera using this EF-EOS R mount adapter. So let me test 4K video recording. So let me turn on this camera. Okay, you can see now it's in video mode. Then go to menu, and you can see in menu movie record size. Let me put it 4K. Select movie record size. So we have two 4K options. So right now I am testing the second one, light IPB. Select it. Done. So I am going to record one video in 4K. Press this record button. See, recording has started. See, with this mount adapter, you can see autofocus also working. See, so we can use EF-EOS lens with this Canon R50 mirrorless camera. So let me stop this recording. Okay, done. Let me play it. See, this is a recorded video. So let me check info of this video. Press this info button. So let me go back. See, in this info, here you can see video is 4K. So you can see 4K here. So let me zoom it a little bit. Yeah, you can see 4K, 25 frame per second, MB4 video. Let me press this info again. You can see the lens used, EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm. So that means this 4K video has been captured using this EF lens, and this is 4K video. Okay, so I will show you another video which I captured using the lens of this camera, this R lens. This is another video which I captured, but that I captured in full HD mode. And here you can see this video actually I captured using RF lens, RF on 18 to 450 mm. So this means that we can record 4K video using Canon R50 mirrorless camera and EF-EOS lens. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.